Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sida Salah Freelancing Wali and I'm a foundation lab student at Brahma School. So viewers, today I watch a cartoon of Tom and Jerry on the title Invisible Cheese. So today I'll give you a text talk review of this video, so let's begin. Cherry and the Invisible Cheese is a fun and imaginative story about Jerry, the clever little mouse, and a mysterious piece of invisible cheese. Jerry loves cheese more than anything, and one day he hears about a magical cheese that cannot be seen by anyone. Curious and excited, Jerry decides to search for it. During his adventure, he faces many funny and difficult situations while trying to avoid time. The cat who is always chasing him. The story is full of humor, excitement, and creativity that keeps children entertained. It also teaches important lessons about curiosity and determination. Jerry's clever ideas help him solve problems throughout the story. Jerry's adventures becomes more exciting because the cheese is invisible. He can smell it but cannot see it, which makes finding it very difficult. Jerry uses his intelligence and sharp senses to follow clues and search carefully around the house. Sometimes the invisible cheese creates a confusion because objects move mysteriously when Jerry touches it. Tom becomes confused and scared because he cannot understand what is happening. The funny moments between Tom and Jerry make the story entertaining and enjoyable for children. The story shows how creativity and smart thinking can help solve challenges. Another important part of this story is Jerry's determination even when this research becomes difficult. Jerry does not give up. He continues trying different ideas and learns from his mistakes. This teaches children the importance of patience and hard work. Jerry believes that if he keeps trying, he will eventually find the invisible cheese. His positive attitude helps him stay hopeful during challenges. The story encourages children to stay motivated and never lose confidence. Determination is shown as an important quality for success. The story also highlights the funny relationship between Tom and Jerry. Tom also tries to catch Jerry, but Jerry's clever tricks usually help him escape. In this adventure, the invisible cheese creates even more confusion than comedy. Tom often blames strange events on ghosts or magic because he cannot see the cheese. These funny misunderstandings make the story excited and full of laughter. Children enjoy watching how Jerry uses intelligence instead of strength to solve problems. Humor makes the story more enjoyable and memorable. Another lesson from the story is the importance of curiosity and imagination. Jared's adventure begins because he wants to discover something unusual and mysterious. Curiosity helps people learn new things and explore the world around them. The invisible trees represent imagination and creativity, which makes stories fun and exciting. Children are encouraged to ask questions, think creatively, and explore new ideas. Imagination helps people solve problems and create interesting adventures. Learning can become more enjoyable through creativity and curiosity. In conclusion, Jerry and the Invisible Cheese is a fun and educational story filled with humor, adventure, and valuable lessons. It teaches children about determination, creativity, curiosity, and confidence. Jerry's clear personality and positive attitude make him an inspiring character for young viewers. The funny moments between Tom and Jerry keep the story entertaining while also delivering meaningful message. Children can learn that intelligence and patience are more important and powerful than fear and frustration. Overall, the story is enjoyable, imaginative, and full of positive lessons for everyone. So, you were just about a text talk review of this video. I hope you like it. See you in the next text talk review with another topic. So, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.